Hey pharmacy students, welcome to Pharma Palette, where we make pharmacy learning simple and interesting. Whether you are just starting out or deep into your BPharm journey, today's video contains the 7 most important tips every pharmacy student must know to excel in college and beyond. If you want to succeed in your academics and profession, this video is for you. So let's get started. So, the tip one is to master the basics. Start learning from the fundamentals. Start with the subjects like medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics. These will be forming the basics of your understanding about the pharmacies. So, make sure you will fully grasp them early. Tip 2 is to establish a regular study schedule. So, your brain is not a dump yard to just dump everything one day before exam. So make daily or weekly study plans rather than cramping everything at once. So divide subjects into manageable portions. Frequently start revising them. In order to increase the retention, you can use certain active learning strategies like doing the group studies, making your notes colorful, and using some sticky notes too for the easy remembrance. Tip 3 is do not skip the practical labs. Your practical skills in the labs are equally as crucial as your theory is. So, attending all the practical sessions, taking notes, practicing outside the class, these are essential for developing good knowledge. Tip 4 is to utilize several learning resources. Do not just depend on a single textbook. Try to explore some online videos, research papers, because different explanations can help clarify difficult topics. So, don't depend on a single textbook. Tip 5 is to take internships seriously. So, they will be providing the real world experiences. They are useful for testing out yourself in several environments like hospitals, community pharmacies to see what interests you the most. If you test yourself in several environments, you will be knowing what you are mostly interested in. Tip 6 is to develop the communication and soft skills. So, pharmacists just do not dispense the medicines, but they also participate in counseling of patient. They will be working in groups and teams. So I suggest you that right from your college, start practicing presentations to prepare yourself for this professional life. Tip 7 is to stay informed about the pharmacy industry trends. Pharmacy is continuously changing with new drugs and technology. So it is our responsibility to stay up to date on the pharmaceutical news. So there you have it, the 7 most important suggestions for pharmacy students. Tell me which tip do you think is most important? Comment below. If you found this video informative, please like, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Pharma Palette. Hit the bell icon for more pharmacy related study tips. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.